I think we found a barber shop here. I see the barber pole out here. So must be the barber shop. Yeah, everybody getting their hair cut in there. Yeah, guy's getting his do done there. He's got some little gizmos out here.
Instead of tearing down the whole house itself, they preserve outside, and this more.
We got the old signage here from collecting old signs from the old days here. All kinds of them here. Look at this. So you got old carts and bicycles over there, but all these old signs. So you got the guy here with the little jacket there and everything, and a light bulb down there. And got some other stuff. I don't know what they're advertising. Oh, here we go. Bike motor oil. All right, you got to have that back in the day there with your bikes. Okay, and we got some stuff up here on the. We got an old chair here for the kids at school. We got the school board up here. You want to do some math or whatever. You got kids in space here too. All right, kids in space. Here they go. All right. Got a telephone here. So an old phone. Got some tacks. An old pachinko, a little tiny one here. Yeah.
So the inside that warehouse, we are able to see the old things.
And this, everybody puts their wishes on here, I guess, to make a wish. All in here and whatnot. You wish for better things and better life. You just tie it on there with a piece of paper. Okay, still going up here. Old car, everything down there. An old, looks like a barber chair in there, barber, and different things back there. You got the old phones in here. All your little characters here. There's those guys we saw at that other museum, the little tiny ones though, at that contemporary museum. And all kinds of signs here. A little poster, that'd be a nice little souvenir right there. A little Japanese post thing there. Yeah, that'd be kind of neat to have. Post stuff. Yeah, post stuff. Yep. Yeah. Got some stuff back in here. All of the rice bowls and tea bowls and everything in there. Wow. A little kitty car down here. Some drums for oil, something for crushing down here. Little buses. Alright. We got some old motorbikes and putt-putts over there. Soda machine. Old car here. Another phone here. Put 10 yen in there and you make your call. Got cigarette packages, all kind of. This looks like my house here a little bit. Yeah. And old soda cans, the soda bottles, and the other ones over here. The ice cream probably in there.
Really too bad if we remember most of this stuff as kids.
Some kind of blue cola. I don't know what that is there, but. Oh, Coca-Cola, 7-Up, your Pepsis. You got the Beatles here. You got the Beatles down there. All right. You got Beatles. More bottles of Coke. Little teeny tiny bottles. Teeny tiny bottles down there. So, yeah. Got another old bike here. Coca-Cola shirt. Coca-Cola. More Coke, lots of Coca-Cola here. Coca-Cola all over the place. Well, we got a 7-Up here, 10 cents. We got the little ones here that are like banks or something. You put money in there and you save your coins up to buy more Coca-Cola then. So yeah. Okay, got another little kitty car down here. Yep. And we got the phone here. Like I said, you put your 10 yen in there and make yourself a little call. And There's any money coming out the bottom. Another old post office box there. Got a penguin. Bridgestone tire rack there for putting tires on there. Okay. And this is the other part across. We saw those earlier. This is the other side. And they got these old carts and different things and more old signs. This guy collects all of this here and has all these old bikes and everything here, you know, from the old days. Oh, you got Del Monte. You recognize that brand there. Some kind of registered trademark. This one's like an OK thing. Got another old car here. Looks like a Corolla or something. I don't know. It's kind of beat up in there. Anyhow, you got a back seat, so you know all my signs are up here. Leak proof. You got your oil up there. It's going to be leak proof oil. Okay. All right. Let's get out of here.